What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to add your pronouns into your Instagram bio. Now, if you've been frequenting Instagram recently, you may have noticed that people have a separate subsection inside of their bio on their profile for their different pronouns, and this is a recent feature that Instagram added, which in my opinion is great to have, all about inclusivity on the Instagram app. And if you're watching this video, I assume you did not find out how to do it, but do not fret, it is actually quite simple, and I will be showing you here in less than a minute. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app here, and then go ahead and head over to your profile. And then once you're on your profile, you're going to hit the edit profile button all the way to the left in the middle, sort of there, the same way that you would change your bio normally. And then once you are in this menu here, right below username there, the third one down when it comes to different things you could change, you will see an option for pronouns. And upon clicking that, you are left with a search bar. And unfortunately, you can't enter some pronouns. They don't have it on there. I do think it's a good thing to add because people could just add swear words or whatever they want on here, and it would kind of defeat the purpose. But there are some pronouns that Instagram needs to add, so get right on that Instagram so that we know that the pronouns are on there. But I just added my pronoun, and then there's even a function on there to hide it to everybody except your followers. For a variety of different reasons, I'm not going to judge based on what you want to do. You could select that as well. But there's pretty much all there is to it though. Once you have set that, you could just back out and you could see it now on my profile. Right next to my name there, my pronoun is listed. And that is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions or were confused, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.